Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be interesting. Please read the statement. We need to find multiplicative inverse of x plus 1 plus 1 upon x minus 1. And usually directly looking at the question, 99% students gives A answer. You please check it. They give this answer. Why? Because they have learned this concept that reciprocal you just need to do. Like multiplicative inverse of 2 is 1 upon 2. Multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 upon 3. Multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 3 is 3 upon 2. So they just do the reciprocal. So same way students think here that x plus 1 will become 1 upon x plus 1 and 1 over x minus 1, it will be reversed and you will get only x minus 1. Whereas this A option is wrong. Let me clarify, A is not the answer, right? So please watch the video till end to identify which one is the correct option. The just basic concept you need to use, like we are having x plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 1, right? What we should do, firstly add them, firstly simplify them, and let us see after simplifying what algebraic expression we are getting. For example, x plus 1 alone means it is x plus 1 upon 1. There is 1 in the denominator. And we can solve it by just simplifying the fractions. How we do it? Just multiply both denominators. 1 multiply x minus 1, you will get x minus 1 only. Cross multiply, this x plus 1 will be multiplied with x minus 1. Let me write here, x plus 1 multiplied with x minus 1, and in between plus sign is there. This 1 will be multiplied with 1, you will get 1 only. This is a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So let us apply the same concept. What we will get? A square minus b square. B is 1. 1 square will remain 1 only. Then plus 1 is there. In denominator we have x minus 1. See, plus 1 and minus 1 is cancelled. So we are left with x square upon x minus 1. Now x square upon x minus 1 is the simplified form of my given expression. This is not the reciprocal done yet. This is not the multiplicative inverse. This is just the simplified form of given expression. So my given expression is this one. What will be its multiplicative inverse? Just interchange numerator and denominator. X square upon x minus 1 is there. That means B option is going to be the correct option. X minus 1 over x square is the multiplicative inverse of the given expression. And what is the rule? Whenever you are thinking that why this is the multiplicative inverse, you should remember that a number when multiplied with its multiplicative inverse, you will always get 1. So if you multiply this one and B option, all will be cancelled, you are going to get 1, right? But in short, we just learn it, just flip the numerator and denominators. That means to do the reciprocal. I hope you are clear with the concept. Thank you so much for watching today's video.